Meet Hire Mia, the world's first collaborative AI editor. New to using AI? Hire Mia is packed with easy-to-use AI-powered features to help you multiply your content output. Unlike other AI tools, Mia is a collaborative AI editor. You can add details or directions in the chat, and Mia will write up a first draft for you in seconds. You can continue to make changes to the content in the editor yourself or ask Mia to help. Mia's inline editing feature lets you polish your content as you work. Update the tone, structure, length, and more with the click of a button. With Mia's AI prompt library, access over 500 marketer-tested AI prompts to generate better first-run results. Explore the prompt library with categories for content marketing, social media, emails, sales, PR, and more. Most marketing initiatives require multiple deliverables. Mia can help with that. Hire Mia simultaneously creates and groups related assets together, so you can refine, revise, and improve your content in no time. Best of all, she can create multiple documents at once, making it a breeze to build out campaigns. Mia has web access and link reading to help streamline your research process. Ask Mia to help with the initial research, summarize content found online, and more. Not sure where to start? Explore how other marketers use Hire Mia to help with writing, research, SEO, and other marketing tasks in the Learning Center. Best of all, Mia also keeps your data secure and safe. Unlike other AI tools, we don't use your data to improve our LLM. Hire Mia ensures your content and chats stay private and secure within your account. Multiply your marketing output with the ultimate AI-powered assistant. Sign up and hire Mia today.